Hey, Dr. Park here with the Park and Revo Clinic. And to continue on our discussion that we've had about adding a breast implant with a breast lift. So we've talked about the fact that it is more common. Talked about the fact a little bit more unpredictable or less predictable than if we were doing them in two separate stages. Oftentimes we'll do these in one stage to try to get our patients the result they want as fast as possible. And just knowing that we're, as your teammate and as your partner, here to do any sort of revisions we might need to do if we try to avoid the two stages. But what might you see in that? So basically, we can't remove as much skin as we could if we were having to fit in the volume and the shape and size of an implant. So we're not able to pull you quite as tight. So again, we may need to cinch that extra skin up down the road, either a couple months or even a couple of years. If we took 1 or 2 centimeters or even 3 or 4 centimeters less skin to make up for the size of the implant, we may ultimately need to tighten the best result possible. Often, sometimes the scars aren't quite as good. There's more tension. That implant can be firm and pushing and pulling on our incision, so we may not get quite the scar, even if our shape is perfect. If we do a lift without an implant, our scar is typically going to be better with them. Again, remember, we can always revise those scars either in the near future after surgery. Same as if we've done it in 2 stages, we typically do surgeries 2 to 3 months apart, so we can do a revision that soon, if you even need it. And remember, anytime we do a scar revision, there's benefits beyond just revising the scar. We're getting to do anything else we need to do, a little touch-up lipo. We're getting to retighten the breast. We're getting to reshape things. We're getting to make that areola maybe a little bit smaller if it's bigger than one. Just know that revisions are not a terrible thing. We are here as your teammate to get that done as cost-consciously as possible. We want you as happy as you. That's what we pride ourselves on here at Park Rico Clinic, is being your partner, taking your desires, translating them into what we want to do on the table, and trying to get you the results you want as much as a friend and as a team possible. Yes, to answer the question, the scars often are a little bit worse, a little bit wider, a bit more visible, at the same time as I'm here to help.